Hi. Good morning. Hi, good morning. No one is saying anything. Good morning. Good morning. Harsha, good morning. Only one person. Yeah, Sujata, good morning. Lekha, good morning. Varsha, good morning. Sandhya, good morning. Good morning. Bagunara. Madhu, good morning. Good morning. Garvani, good morning. Dhana Lakshmi, good morning. Shri Devi, good morning. Santosh, good morning. Pavitra, good morning. Bagunara, everyone Manchi at home. Yeah, Adi, good morning. DXD, good morning. Yeah, okay. Everyone Manchi at home. Yeah, very good. I am also good. Directly proportional. If student is Manchi, teacher is also Manchi. If student is Chadda, teacher is also Chadda. So that's why you are Manchi. I am also Manchi. No problem. So what's going on at home? Kya ho raha hai ghar pe? What's going on at home? Kya ho raha hai ghar pe? What's going on? Chilling or studying? What's going on? CWS, chilling with studying. No problem. Yeah. We are not normal people, sir. We are UPL people. We are ultra pro legends. So that's why we are also chilling only, sir. But we are chilling not by normal ways like movies, outing, friends. We are chilling with study. Till NEET 2025, there is only one way for us to chill. That chill way is chilling with studying. Okay. Is it okay? Done? Is it okay everyone doing CWS? बहुत बढ़िया. Till NEET 2025, only one way of chilling, sir. That is chilling with studying. Tarvata we will see different ways to chill. No problem. Yeah. And shall we start with the class? Does previous year marks? Yeah, previous year means you have to keep on working. Yeah. So shall we start with the class? Yeah, Manish sir class did not happen. It will happen today or tomorrow. Don't worry. Means in 1 week you require 3 lectures. That will be done. Yesterday did not happen because some problem was there. Okay. So today evening or tomorrow his class will happen. Don't worry about it. Yeah. Okay. So shall we start with the class? Shall we start with the class? Tell me what we studied in the last class. क्या हम पढ़े थे last class में? I think triangle law of vector addition we just started. I just told you formula for triangle law of vector addition. So again I will repeat that result. Then we will do some questions from there. One part we will complete, that is triangle law of vector addition. Then we will start with numericals. Now more numericals will come. No problem. So this is what I was trying to tell. With the help of triangle law of vector addition. First thing, in triangle law of vector addition, you will always get use of triangle. That's why name is triangle law of vector addition. So what triangle law of vector addition says? एक बार देख लो. No problem. Yeah. Triangle law of vector addition says whenever you have two vector, whenever we have vector A and vector B, such that head of vector A lies at tail of vector B. Whenever two vectors are given, A vector, B vector, such that head of one vector lies at tail of another vector, then resultant will be a vector. From tail of first vector to head of second vector. This is our resultant R vector. And R vector will have value A vector plus B vector. Resultant means addition of A vector and B vector. No problem. Yeah. And from here I also told you angle between these two vectors will be this angle. This is known as angle between vector A and vector B. This is theta is your angle between vector A and vector B. And here I told you how to find value of resistance, how to find value of resultant. This A vector, B vector, these are vectors. But if someone asks me magnitude, how to calculate magnitude of resultant, for that we have one formula, derivation not required. That's why I did not told the derivation also. Yeah. So value of resultant means magnitude of resultant will come under root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. This is the main result from where questions are asked. If anyone asks you what is the value of resultant, what is the magnitude of resultant, this is in the form of vector. But if someone asks me, just tell me magnitude of resultant. Someone gave you magnitude of vector A, someone gave you magnitude of vector B, and he asked you, what is the magnitude of resultant? Angle theta given, you can use this result. R will be equal to under root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Sometimes they also ask, how much angle resultant will make with vector A? So you can calculate this angle alpha using tan alpha. Tan alpha will be equal to B sin theta by A plus B cos theta. Is it okay? Is it okay? Is these two formulas are okay? So magnitude of resultant will come under root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Tan alpha will come B sin theta by A plus B cos theta. No problem, no problem. Yeah, okay, okay. And one more thing I will tell before starting numerical, one more thing I will tell. Just see here, okay. Always remember, whenever anyone asks you, you may be getting doubts, sir, why you have considered this as angle between vector A and vector B. Why you are not considering this as angle? Someone may say, you know, sir, why you are considering this only as angle between vector A and vector B? Why you are not considering this as your angle? So always remember, whenever you have to find angle between two vectors, angle between two vectors is always angle between either their heads together. If two vectors have tails together, then only angle is known as angle between two heads together or two tails together. This is how we calculate angle between the two vectors. If head and tail, here you see head and tail are together. Here for this angle, head and tail are together. So this is not angle between the vectors. Angle between the vectors will be always angle between either their tails together or heads together. Head and tail angle is not considered as angle. So actually what we did here, this was your B vector. We just shifted this. Vector A from here to here. So that's why we got this as our angle between vector A and vector B. Are you getting idea? What is the angle? How to find angle between the two given vectors? Always remember, any angle given between two vectors is not your angle. Your angle between the two vectors will be always angle either between their heads together or their tails together. If heads are not together or tails are not together, you can bring them together by shifting the vector parallelly. Parallelly, we can always shift the vector. That is known as parallel transformation of vector. Are bol do bhai. Here actually B vector was, this is not the angle. Actually B vector was shifted to bring tails together. Then we got angle between A vector and B. Not external angle, bhai. Not always external angle. Rule is angle between two vectors must be angle either between their heads together or their tails together. Safia derivation not required. The basic formula. Derivation will take time. We don't have that much of time. And everyone remembered also. So why to unnecessarily waste our time? Yeah. So come on, tell me what is the formula for resultant. R will be equal to under root of A square. Come on, everyone will say. It's tough to type this formula, so you can say at your home right now you are studying now. So value of resultant R will be equal to under root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Second formula has no importance. Importance is of only first formula. That is very important. Resultant of two vectors A and B will be equal to under root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Under root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Harsha, very good. Garvani, very good. Under root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. If anyone asks you angle between two vectors, always remember angle between two vectors is not angle between their head and tail. Angle between two vectors is always angle between either their heads together or tails together. If heads are not together, if tails are not together, bring them together. by shifting the vector parallelly. No problem, no problem. All these are small things. No problem, no problem. Now we'll start with some numerical. You can write one question. Come on. One question is very famous, asked also previously. When direct question came, this was the question asked. You write. You write. Two vectors of equal magnitude. Two vectors of equal magnitude gives resultant. Two vectors of equal magnitude gives resultant of same magnitude. Two vectors of equal magnitude gives resultant of same magnitude. Find the angle between vectors. Two vectors of equal magnitude gives resultant of same magnitude. Find angle between the vectors. Sasiram, correct. And this is also direct result which people remember. It will be used in some of the chapters also. Two vectors of equal magnitude gives resultant of same magnitude. Find angle between the vectors. Find angle between the vectors. Yeah, Nagendra Reddy, correct. Means you can assume all vectors to have magnitude x. Sir, A and B both have same magnitude. Resultant also have same magnitude. Let's assume to be x. From there you can simplify. You can put in the formula. You'll get the value of cos theta. When you will solve, yeah. Madhu, correct. When you solve, you'll find cos theta is coming -1/2. If cos theta is coming -1/2, theta will be 120 degree. Or you can say 2π/3. No problem, no problem. Some people are getting, some people are not getting. Lekha correct, Pavitra correct. एक बार देख लो first question. Then I will give you one more question like this. एक बार देख लो, एक बार देख लो. No problem, no problem, no problem. एक बार देख लो, ध्यान दो, ध्यान दो. Be focused, be focused. Yeah. Always remember, formula is one only. But using formula, always read the question carefully. Always remember, in physics, 90% of job is done once you read the question, once you understand the question. Because without understanding, you cannot understand which formula you have to apply. So that's why reading question is very important. I will simply say, sir, what is given? You are saying, sir, two vectors of equal magnitude gives resultant of same magnitude. So let's assume those two vectors equal magnitude, though. Let's assume those two vectors are A and B. And what is given? Two vectors of equal magnitude gives resultant also of same magnitude. I am not writing A vector equal to B vector equal to R vector. That is wrong. What I am writing, two vectors of equal magnitude. I told you if only A is written, that also means magnitude. So two vectors of equal magnitude. Let's assume those two vectors are A and B. And they are giving resultant also of same magnitude. Let's assume resultant R. They have said two vectors of equal magnitude give resultant of also same magnitude. Let's assume that same value to be x. Let's assume that same value. You can assume in your way, no problem. Yeah. So this is what is given. Two vectors of, I am not writing A. Don't write like this, sir. A vector equal to B vector equal to R vector. This is completely wrong. We are talking in the terms of magnitude. In your triangle of vector addition, R equal to under root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. That is only magnitude, not vector. You have to only see length of vector, not direction. So I'll simply say this is what given. Let's assume two vectors are A and B. Two vectors of equal magnitude means A equal to B. Gives resultant of same magnitude means equal to R. Let's assume that to be X. Now from here I will say I already know the formula how to relate them. Sir, R will be equal to under root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Now from here we can move, sir. Now R magnitude you already know. Value of R you already know. That is X. So X will be equal to under root of A square. A is also X. So X square. B is also X. So X square plus 2. A into B, that is X into X. Again, it will give you X square into cos theta. Now you can square both sides, or you can simply say, I will send under root that side, it will become a square, sir. So this will become X square will be coming as From here you can write 2x square plus x square plus x square, 2x square plus 2x square cos theta. Now from here you can do calculation. You can send this side. So x square minus 2x square will give you minus x square. That will be equal to 2x square cos theta. Means now simple calculation. Yeah. You can see x square this side, 2x square this side. So it will go this side. So it will become x square minus 2x square. That is minus x square. Now from here you can calculate. So cos theta will become minus x square by 2x square. Now x square cancel. Cos theta will become minus 1 by 2. And you know when cos theta is minus 1 by 2, theta will be coming as 120 degree. Or you can also say 2 pi by 3. Is it okay? Is it okay? समझे क्या? अरे बोल दो भाई, समझे क्या? How to use our formula of resultant? अरे बोल दो भाई. How many of you already got this answer? How many of you already got this answer? अरे बोल दो. How many of you already got the answer? Sujata, I cannot explain again. क्या है भाई? A equal to B equal to R. That is equal to X. Now put in the formula. Solve करो. Calculation you have to do. Vedika got very good. Shashi Ram got very good. Sujata, nothing to be explained there. Just use the formula. Madhushri got very good. Lekha got very good. Jaldi batao bhai. I will give you the next question. Sandhya got, Sek got. So resultant, these are magnitude only, not vector. These are only magnitude. This relation R equal to under root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta is the relation between their magnitude, not in the terms of direction. Magnitude of resultant will be under root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. So this is how we can talk. Now dhyan do. Be focused. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Understand one more thing. Understand in one more manner. That will give you more clarity. Dhyan do. Be focused for your understanding. We have completed the calculation. We have completed our part. But one more thing. Dhyan do, just see here, no problem. Yeah, okay. Always remember, we are using triangle law of vector addition now. So property of triangle will be always used. Dhyan do. What I'm trying. One way is to do with the help of formula. If you want, you can solve this question without formula using property of triangle. Are what you are studying? You can do like that, no problem. If they are equal, you can. That we will study later on. No problem. Yeah. Okay. What I'm trying to tell. Dhyan do, be focused. Yeah. Always remember, you are using triangle law of vector addition now. Triangle means property of triangle will be always used now. If you wish, you can do without doing all those things. You can do with the help of property of triangle. Okay, yahan pe dhyan do. If you wish, you can think like this also. No problem. Yeah. You know, when you use triangle of vector addition, you know, one side represent A vector, one side represent B vector, one side represent R vector. Now you can see now, all sides are equal. Dhyan do. This is coming from triangle law of vector addition. When you are using this law, triangle is getting formed. You can always use property of triangle. One side means A vector, other side means B vector, other side means R vector. And if you see in the question, all the sides are equal. A, B, R are equal. Means which triangle? Are A, B and R are nothing. They are sides of the triangle. Now, can you tell me which triangle it is? Which triangle it is? All the sides are equal. अरे कौन सा triangle है? Equilateral triangle. If you wish, you can draw like this also. You'll simply say, sir, three sides are there. So triangle law you are using now. You are going to add the two vectors with the help of triangle law now. In triangle law, you know, sir, triangle will be formed. Triangle will be formed. You are saying all the sides, all the vectors are equal. All the vectors have equal magnitude. Means the triangle which will be formed will also have equal sides. Equal sides means equilateral triangle. This is A vector, this is B vector, this is your R vector. All the sides are equal. So what is this angle? Can you guess what is this angle? Can you guess what is this angle then? Equilateral triangle, what is this angle? What is this angle? 60. But their angle between this angle is 60. This angle is also 60. This angle is also 60. But angle between vector A and B will not be 60. Don't think angle between vector A and B is 60. Tell me what is the angle between vector A and B? I told you vector angle between the vector A and B will be not this angle. Angle will come this. That is 180 minus 60. That will become 120 degree, which is asked in the question. You can do like this also. You can always use property of triangle. Always remember you are using triangle of vector addition, means we can always apply property of triangle. One way to solve is with the help of formula. Other way to solve is with the help of property of triangle. If someone asks you, what is the angle between vector R? You tell me, angle between R vector and A vector. Can you tell me angle between R vector and A vector? Angle between R vector and A vector. Angle between R vector and A vector. That will come 60 only. Because already tails are together. This is what I told. This will come 60 degree only. This will come 60 degree only. Here why it is coming 120? Because you know angle between two vectors are not angle between head and tail. So that's why you have shifted it to get angle 120. Here angle between R and A will come 60 degree. Achha, what is angle between R and B? R and B, batao. What is the angle between R and B? What is the angle between R and B? That will also come 60 because already heads together. This is what I was trying to tell. Angle between the two vectors is the angle between either their heads together or tails together. For this it will again come. Still it will come. Between R and B will also come as 60 degree. Is it okay? अरे बोल दो भाई कुछ समझ में आया क्या? One way you can solve with the help of formula. Other way is you can always apply property of triangle. But whenever numerical comes, solve with the help of formula only. That will give you more fast answer. Otherwise here you have to, just for your understanding I told. One more question, come on, do one more question. Two more questions, we'll talk back to back. You write. When two unit vectors are added, resultant is found to be a unit vector. When two unit vectors are added, resultant is found to be a unit vector. Find angle between them. When two unit vectors are added, resultant is found to be a unit vector. Find angle between them. Find angle between them. When two unit vectors are added, their resultant is also found to be a unit vector. Find angle. Same question, bhai. Same question. Two unit vectors means equal magnitude 1 1. Resultant also same question. No need to do, bhai. People started solving, same answer will come. Equal magnitude I gave separately. Now I am saying both are, all the three are unit vector. Means again magnitude is 1 1 1. The same question. Here also answer will come 120 degree. No need to solve. Same question. And you know that two vectors of equal magnitude. Now I am giving you two unit vector. Two unit vector means magnitudes are equal. Resultant also unit vector means resultant also same magnitude. 1 1 1 is giving you 1. 1 1 is giving you 1. Again angle will come 120 degree. Are you getting idea? Bol do bhai, bol do. Second question done. Same question. Is it okay? Tell me third question. Third question. No problem. No problem. You write. Third question. Same thing. Equal magnitude can be unit vectors also now. You know unit vectors have same same magnitude 1. So in place of equal magnitude we can say unit vectors also. No problem. Yeah. Come on, next question, next question, next question. You can say, come on. Right. If, third question, if A cap plus B cap if A cap plus B cap magnitude is 1, find angle between A cap and B cap. If A cap plus B cap mod equal to 1, find angle between A cap and B cap. This is also same question. Answer will again come. You see, this is the meaning of resultant now. Again angle, hey Bhagwan, guess kar rahe, 120 degree will only come. This is the same question, bhai. You are adding 2 unit vector, and what is resultant? Unit vector. It is the same question written in the form of expression, that written in the form of numerical. Same answer will come, bhai. एक बार देखा करो. This is how they will play in vector. They can ask you question in theory also. They can ask in the form of equation also. Same thing, bhai. A cap plus B cap resultant. A cap plus B cap means resultant. Magnitude of resultant equal to 1. So resultant also 1. Individual vectors also 1 and 1. Means 1 is giving you 1. Means theta will come 120. No need to solve. Again answer will come 120 degree. Same thing. 1 is giving you 1 resultant. 1 is giving you 1 resultant. Again angle has to be 120 degree. Is it okay? Samjhe kya? Same question I told you in 3 different manner how they can ask. Is it okay? आगे बढ़े. So be careful. No problem. Yeah. So come on. Finally, before moving further, just okay, because this will be used in physics also, some chapters. Yeah. You tell me, if someone says 2 vectors of equal magnitude gives resultant also of same magnitude, you tell me what is the angle between those 2 vectors. You can remember this result. 2 vectors of equal magnitude give resultant also of same magnitude. What is the angle between the vectors? 120 degree. Yeah. Those 2 vectors may be unit vectors also, no problem. Answer will come 120 degree, no problem. Now do the next question. Come on. Do the next question. You write. Little changed question, no problem. Yeah. You write. 2 vectors of equal magnitude. 2 vectors of equal magnitude gives resultant. 2 vectors of equal magnitude gives resultant. 2 vectors of equal magnitude gives resultant root 2 times of. 2 vectors of equal magnitude gives resultant root 2 times of their individual magnitude. 2 vectors of equal magnitude gives resultant root 2 times of their individual magnitude. Find the angle between vectors. 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 Again, you can assume A equal to B equal to X. But now R will be root 2X because that is what said. Shashi Ram, correct. Very good. Always reading question is very, very important. Shashi has given correct answer. Very good. Nagendra, correct. Garvani, correct. Rohin, correct. जल्दी जल्दी भाई त्वरगा समय हम ले दू. ट्रायंगल लॉ ही पढ़ते रहेंगे क्या. सोहन यादव करेक्ट. श्रीता करेक्ट. Adi correct. You will simply say, always reading question. What is given, sir? 2 vectors of equal magnitude means A is equal to B. Let's assume this is given as X. 2 vectors of 90 will come. Answer will come 90. Gagan, very good. Yeah. Madhu, very good. Adi, very good. Lekha, very good. Yeah. This is what is given. 2 vectors of equal magnitude give result. 2 vectors of equal magnitude. So let's assume 2 vectors are A and B. Let's assume their magnitude equal. So A equal to B. Let's assume that equal magnitude to be X. And what is said about resultant? Resultant is a root 2 times of their individual magnitude. Means resultant will become root 2 times of individual magnitude. Individual magnitude, how much you have taken? X. So resultant will become root 2x. Now from here you can simply say, sir, now I know the relation, I can find angle. So R will be equal to, sir, under root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. No problem, no problem. And from here you can do root 2x you can write, yeah. So from here you can square both sides also. No need to always write under root. Directly you can write like this also. Sir, R square will be equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Now R square you can put. If you put here, this will become root 2x square will be equal to x square plus 2ab. A is also x, b is also x. So x into x, x square into cos theta. Now from here, if you remove the square, this will become 2x square. Here it will become, sir, x square plus x square. This is also 2x square plus 2x square cos theta. Now you can send this side, or you can simply cancel from here. So from here 0 will become equal to 2x square cos theta. Means from here cos theta will become 1 by something will give you 0 by something will give you 0. Means cos theta 0 means theta will be equal to 90 degree. Theta will be equal to 90 degree, or you can say pi by 2. Is it okay, bhai? Bol do bhai, bol do bhai. Twarga. Is it okay? Everyone understood? Everyone understood? Okay, no problem. Now, Dhyan do, we will talk. Slowly we'll move. Don't worry. Yeah. You'll get idea about all these things slowly. Achha, if you if you want, you can think like this also. Sir, yeah. Okay, Dhyan do, no problem. Yeah, okay. Sir, if you want, you can think like this also. Ek bar dekh lo, no problem. How I can think in another manner? Sir, ultimately, triangle will be formed. Ultimately, what will happen? Triangle will be formed. Sir, sides of the triangle will be A vector, B vector, and R vector. Sir, A and B both are equal. Which triangle will come? Two sides are equal. A and B both are equal. Which triangle will come? Bhai? Jaldi bata do. Which triangle will come? Directly I am saying how to use property. Isosceles triangle. And Pythagoras theorem is also working na bhai. Pythagoras theorem is also working na. You can see x square plus x square will give you 2x square. Dhyan do, if you wish you can do directly using property of triangle. Sir already said, sir, I know A vector, B vector and R vector will form three sides of a triangle. Two sides are equal and third side is root 2x. Pythagoras theorem is working here now. If you see here, what will happen? You see here, P square plus B square will be equal to H square. P is X, B is also X. So X square plus X square will be equal to 2x square. So you can simply say triangle will be also formed. That triangle will be, sir, right angle triangle. Directly also you can do. So what is the angle between A vector and B vector? Right angle triangle means theta will be 90 degrees. Simply property of triangle we are using. Is it okay? Property of triangle. You can think like this also. If anyone asks you what is the angle between resultant and A vector, that will come 45 degree because isosceles triangle already one angle 90, so other will be 45. What is the angle between R vector and B vector? That will also come 45 degree. अरे बोलो भाई समझे क्या? How to apply property of triangle? अरे कुछ समझ में आया क्या? Pythagoras theorem is working ना. If Pythagoras theorem will work, which triangle you have? Right angle triangle. So be always careful. I will talk about those things also separately. Special cases we will discuss, no problem. But okay, here also you can do, no problem. Okay, and always remember, it's not like that one formula you know, so you'll apply that formula in every question. No. Sometimes triangle will be given to you directly. For example, I will give you one question. Come on, you write. You try to solve. R vector magnitude is given as x, B vector magnitude is given as x by root 2. Nothing said about A vector. Can you find this angle theta? Can you find that angle theta? Can you find that angle theta? This is also famous question, came previously. Student start thinking कौन सा formula use करूं? No need to use any formula. Triangle is more basic. पहले triangle पढ़े हो तो triangle आया तो property of triangle use करो, sin theta use करो. Student start thinking, sir, resultant given x, sir, b given x by root 2, a not given, sir, तो कौन सा formula use करूं, sir? Under root of a square plus b, but a is not given, sir. अरे not required. एंगल पूछा था डायरेक्टली निकाल. ट्राइंगल दिख नहीं रहा है क्या? पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, नॉट नो नीड ऑफ पाइथागोरस थ्योरम आल्सो. यूज sin theta only. Sir, sin theta I know, sir. Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. What is opposite, sir? X by root 2. What is hypotenuse, sir? X 1 by root 2. Means theta will come 45 degree. Means you can always apply property of triangle. Is it okay? Property of triangle. Always you can apply. I'm just talking about different questions which can be framed from triangle law of vector addition. Always no need to apply that formula. If triangle is there, directly sides are given. Use sin theta, cos theta also to get answer directly. Is it okay? Is it okay? समझे क्या? One more property of triangle we use here, that also I will talk. I'm waiting for that. No problem, no problem. So I'm giving you time of 5 seconds. See all these numericals, no problem. So yeah, too much of numerical we started. So once I'm giving you time of 5 seconds, see all these question. Then I will talk about one last question from here. Then we'll talk about some special cases. Once you can see all these 3-4 numericals which we have done back to back, your brain should not blast. Once completed, you can say done, sir. One famous question we will talk. It is so famous it will come in your test also. I'm saying now only because famous question asked previously in JEE mains, they can ask in the NEET also, they can repeat. Famous question. Once completed, you can say done, sir. No problem, no problem. Now you can write the question. Now you can write the question and I will ask who can tell. You can say how to proceed in this question. No problem, no problem. Yeah, you can write. Okay, no problem. You write. You write. If resultant of A vector and B vector is R vector. If resultant of A vector and B vector is R vector as represented in the diagram, if resultant of A vector and B vector is R vector and represented in the diagram, then find relation between angle alpha and beta. Then find relation between angle alpha and beta. If means you have to tell me who will be more, who will be less. Yeah, find relation between angle alpha and beta if 3 cases will come. If magnitude of A vector is greater than magnitude of B vector. Means now you have to tell me who will be more, alpha or beta. Out of alpha, beta, who will be more? Second, magnitude of vector A is less than magnitude of vector B. Then again you have to tell me relation between alpha and beta, who will be more, who will be less. and if magnitude of A is same as magnitude of B, then also you have to tell me what is the relation between alpha and beta. नो फॉर्मूला रिक्वायर्ड, ट्रायंगल का प्रॉपर्टी यूज करो. If A is more than B, then which angle will be more? Garvani is saying for first alpha will be more. You can tell me who will be more in all cases. Sasi Ram is saying correct. Sasi, your answer is correct. Sasi, your answer is correct. Madhushri, first answer you have given, that is correct. I say more, bhai. Now people are saying, someone said beta is more. Now people are saying alpha is less. Third one, no doubt. Third one, no doubt. Sir, both sides are equal, equilateral triangle. Both sides are equal. Two sides are equal. Isosceles triangle. I know, sir. Alpha will be equal to beta. So for third, no need to think. For third, no need to think. How to think for first and second? Shashi, you said the answer. All three you said. Saeed also correct. Very good. What process? Sohani Yadav correct. Anyone who is saying the answer, you can tell me what process you thought. क्या think करके निकाले answer? हाँ, Shwani Yadav correct. Rani correct. अरे पाइथागोरस थ्योरम कैसे लगाओगे? राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है ही नहीं, पागल हो गए को पाइथागोरस थ्योरम? हैं? क्या सोचे भाई, एक बार बता दो. एनीवन हु इज सेइंग द आंसर. फर्स्ट वन बीटा विल कम मोर, सेकेंड वन अल्फा विल कम मोर, एंड थर्ड वन बोथ विल कम इक्वल. ओके, मोर मैग्नीट्यूड. ओके, अरे यू हैव सेड, ध्यान दो. चलो 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 चलो, डिफरेंट वेज आर देयर. Always remember, I can tell you this question in, most of the people are getting, but okay. ध्यान दो, I can tell you this question in 10 different manner, but in NEET exam, no need of 10 different manner. You need to know only one method, which is easiest, which you'll never forget, which will always give you answer. And that method I'm going to tell. ध्यान दो, you have studied from class 9, 10th, from class 6, 7, 8, 9. Whenever you studied triangle for the first time, you have studied one property of triangle. Angle opposite to larger side. Angle opposite to larger side will be larger. कुछ याद आया? LKG में पढ़ा है, 1, 2, 3, 4 में पढ़ा है. Angle opposite to larger side will be always larger. Angle opposite to larger side. Why equilateral triangle has all angles equal? Because all sides are equal. Why isosceles triangle has only two angles equal? Because two sides are equal. अरे बोलो भाई, अरे बोलो. Have you studied this? Angle opposite. हाँ, someone said. Shwani Yadav said this thing. Yeah. Okay, Madhusri, you can think like this also, but easiest way, because we are studying this for longer. We are studying this for class 9, 10, 6, 7 only. Angle opposite to larger side will be always larger. Angle opposite to larger side. यहाँ पे दिया हुआ B greater than A. So B greater than A. So angle opposite to B. Not angle with the B. Angle opposite to the larger side will be always larger. Here said, sir, B greater than A means A greater than B means A is more. A is larger. So angle opposite to A is your beta. So here beta will be more than alpha. Similarly, second situation, sir, A is less, B is more. So angle opposite to B, angle opposite to larger side will be always larger. Now who is larger? Out of A and B, who is larger in second case? B is larger. So angle opposite to B is your alpha. So alpha will be more than beta. Third one not required because both are equal. You can think like this also. The vector which will have more magnitude will always shift resultant towards itself. So angle with that vector will reduce. But that is little tough for everyone to understand. This is the easy way. Otherwise, Madhushri, that is also correct. No problem. अरे बोल दो भाई, इतना पुराना कॉन्सेप्ट रिवाइज कराया, 6, 7, 8, 9 से पढ़ रहे हो. Angle opposite to larger side will be always larger. Angle opposite to larger side will be always larger. Angle opposite to larger side will be always. यही तो बताया भाई, वही फॉर्मूला रिवाइज कराया. How to use here triangle law ना, so all properties of triangle will be always applicable. अरे बोल दो भाई. For example, tomorrow someone came and he gave you one triangle like this. For example, if I say, for example, if I say this side is 4 meter, this side is 3 meter. This angle is, I'm saying this angle is alpha, this angle is beta. Tell me which angle is more. Out of alpha, beta, which angle is more? Which angle is more? Alpha is more or beta is more? If someone gave you one triangle like this and he asked, out of alpha, beta, tell me which angle is more? Alpha or beta? Why beta? Because angle opposite to larger side will be more. Angle opposite angle देखो, कौन सा side बड़ा है सर? 4 meter is bigger. So angle opposite to 4 is beta. So beta will be more than alpha. Same thing we have done here. Done. Is it okay? Any condition they can ask you in the NEET exam. So that's why I told you all 3 possible cases. Is it okay? Done, bhai. Done. Done. AC is not working in the studio. I'm giving you time of 5 seconds. See all this situation. We'll move further. Some special cases we will talk. One special case we will talk. Once completed, you can say done, sir. And once I will say done, sir, you will start saying, Opika Ledu. Sir, why to have Opika? We are here to become doctor. Hunger is there till NEET 2025. Only one thing is going in our mind, how to become doctor. I have to become doctor. I have to work hard. No problem, no problem. Now you can write some special cases. Some special case I am going to talk. Some special cases. Some special cases. Keep these special cases in your mind because they will be frequently used. So that's why I'm talking about some special cases. Now, be focused, and here I will not use any numerical. Here I will not use any maths directly. I will tell you how to think and how to get the answer. These are very famous special cases. So थोड़ा ध्यान देना, be focused, ध्यान दो, be focused. Yeah, okay. Okay. So what will happen here? What special case you are talking about? I will talk about special case related with triangle law only. So for example, let's assume, for example, let's assume I have A vector plus B vector. Someone gave me 2 vectors, A vector and B vector, and he asked me to add those 2 vectors. So I said, sir, let's take A vector plus B vector. I know, sir, A vector plus B vector will be equal to R vector. Let's assume this R vector by C vector. So here I am just saying, sir, A vector. So they will give you, if A vector plus B vector equal to C vector. What is your C vector? C vector here we are calling as resultant. So many places, so many books you'll find question like this. So for your help, I'm telling them separately. They will say A vector plus B vector equal to C vector. C vector means resultant of A and B. So they will say you like this. If A vector plus B vector equal to C vector. C vector means resultant of A vector and B vector. So if A vector plus B vector equal to C vector and this is already given and first case they will say yeah, and they will say if A square plus B square equal to C square. Can you tell me what is angle between A and B? What is the angle between A vector and B vector? बोल दो भाई. Think. No, don't use any formula. Think. What is the angle between A vector and B vector? They will already say, sir, A vector plus B vector equal to C vector. And now they will say, if A square plus B square equal to C square, angle between A. अरे पाइथागोरस थ्योरम में 90 डिग्री आएगा, 45 कैसे बोल रहे हो, पागल हो गए हो क्या? अरे पाइथागोरस थ्योरम है, यही तो बताया था. दिस इज द सिचुएशन भाई, पागल हो गए बच्चे. दिस इज द सिचुएशन, पाइथागोरस थ्योरम आएगा भाई. 90 degree, no need to solve, directly you can do. Sir, A square plus B square, you know, P square plus B square equal to H square. Your hypotenuse, resultant will be your hypotenuse. No need to solve, directly. Pythagoras theorem working. Theta will come 90 degrees. Simply we are applying Pythagoras theorem. No need of any formula for resultant. Pythagoras theorem will give us answer directly. Tomorrow they can say you like this. If they can give you value also. If A equal to 3, B equal to 4, C equal to 5, then also they will ask you, find the angle. Again Pythagoras theorem will work na bhai. 3 square plus 4 square is what? 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 9 plus 16 25. C square is what? 25. So they both are equal. Again Pythagoras theorem will work. Again angle will come 90 degree. कुछ समझ रहे हो? Only remembering formula is not important. No need to apply formula again and again. Directly you can do like this. Come on, if I give you sides like this. A if I give you 5, B if I give you 12, I will say, and C is given as 13. They will ask you, what is the angle between A vector and B vector? बताओ. अरे फिर से पाइथागोरस थ्योरम वर्क करेगा. 5 square plus 12 square is 13 square. That again answer will come 90 degree. Is it okay? समझ में आया क्या? So directly also they can give you A square plus B square equal to C square. This Pythagoras theorem. Or they can give you value of A and B. अरे बोल दो समझ में आया तो. We'll move towards second special case. So be careful, because I have seen students struggling here. They will put the formula, they will do Pythagoras uncle को use करो भाई. Answer will come, no problem, no problem. Now see the second case, second special case. एक बार देखना second special case. No problem, no problem. Yeah, okay. Okay, is it okay? First one okay, no problem. So Pythagoras theorem will work. You can directly write angle between the two vectors will be 90 degree. Parwa le do sir. Let's move towards second situation. Second special case you will tell. In the same question, A vector plus B vector is given as C vector, and there I am simply saying if A plus B is equal to C. Can you tell me what is angle theta between the vectors? Can you guess? A plus B equal to, already given A vector plus B vector equal to C vector, and also given magnitude of A plus magnitude of B equal to magnitude of resultant. Can you tell me what is theta? जल्दी भाई, थोड़ा दिमाग यूज करो. आदि ऐसे ही बोल दिया. थोड़ा सोचो. 60 डिग्री कैसे बोल रहे हो भाई? यू हैव सिंपली एडेड. हे भगवान. शशि ऑल्सो एवरीवन हैज गिवन रॉन्ग आंसर. अरे already 90 degree came now. That is for A square plus B square equal to C square. ध्यान दो यहाँ पे. चलो चलो भाई, चलो चलो चलो. यू आर नॉट एबल टू थिंक. एक बार देखो, एक बार देखो, एक बार देखो. कितना आसान था. Here you have simply added. ध्यान दो. अरे here angle will come 0 degree. Both vectors are in the same direction. दिख नहीं रहा है क्या? हाँ, money has said correct answer. You are simply adding two vectors now. Theta is not coming now. Theta is not coming. Why not coming? Because cos 0 is 1. Cos 0. This is this. If your A plus B, A vector plus B vector equal to C vector, and C value is same as simply A plus B. You are simply adding A vector and B vector. When you can simply add two vector? When they are in the same direction. Both A vector and B vector are in the same direction. here theta will come 0 degree. 0. Angle will be 0. नहीं समझे भाई? I have to tell numerically then. Are you are simply adding two vectors now? If you simply add two vector, you see magnitude of vector A 3, magnitude of vector B, for example 4. You are simply writing 3 plus 4. C means C is A plus B means simply you are writing 3 plus 4. How that can happen? How you can directly add two vectors? How you can add directly two vectors? How you can add magnitude of two vectors directly? कैसे possible होगा? Only when they are in the same direction. Same direction तभी लिख रहे हो directly A plus B. Otherwise you will write under root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. You are not writing under root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta because both vectors are in the same direction. Theta will come 0 degree. Next one, no problem. I will tell you mathematically also. Don't worry. Let me first get the third special case. Now I think you'll be able to guess. If again I am talking about same thing. If C is equal to A minus B, can you guess what will be theta between A and B? Okay, Mani, no problem. अरे now you are subtracting them directly. 180 will come भाई. कैसा बच्चा है सोहन यादव? 180 आएगा. थोड़ा दिमाग भी लगा. अरे previously simply you added ना. You simply added A plus B. Means both were in the same direction. When you can add two vectors directly, when they are in the same. That is the second situation. When you can subtract two vectors directly, when they are in opposite direction. This will come theta will come 180 degree or you can say pi radian. Is it okay? Is it okay? Mathematically भी बताऊं क्या? And always remember this is the maximum value of resultant. This is the maximum value of resultant. Maximum resultant of two vectors can always come. Maximum resultant of two vectors will only come when they are in the same direction. And in the same direction you will always get A plus B. This is minimum value of resultant. This is a minimum value of resultant. So minimum value of resultant will always come A minus B when the vectors will be in opposite direction. This is representing opposite direction. This is opposite direction means 180 degree. This is representing same direction. Same direction means yeah, that's why your theta is 0 degree. Is it okay भाई? कुछ बोल दो, थोड़ा दिमाग भी यूज करो. मैथमेटिकली ऑल्सो आई विल टेल, डोंट वरी. इज इट ओके? मैथमेटिकली बताऊं? मैथमेटिकली शैल आई टेल? मैथमेटिकली यूजिंग फॉर्मूला शैल आई टेल और कॉन्सेप्चुअली यू अंडरस्टैंड? टू वेक्टर दिया था, डायरेक्टली जोड़ दिया. Sir has directly added the two vectors A and B. How he can add directly? Only when both are in the same direction. Sir has given two vectors, directly he subtracted. How he can subtract directly without theta when they are in opposite direction? Arey bhai, I will tell mathematically also because many people don't have brain required to understand. Otherwise देखो mathematically, चल ये वाला करूंगा, ये this you can do by yourself. एक बार देखो, थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाओ. Mathematically I will simply say, sir, what is C? C is the resultant. C is the resultant of A vector and B vector. And I know value of C will be coming as under root of A square. I'm doing for this. एक बार देख लो. Sir, value of C will be coming as under root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. But already you have given me value of C. What is the value of C already given? A plus B. So put here value of C. A plus B. So A plus B will be equal to under root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Now you can do squaring of both sides. You can square both sides. So this will become A plus B whole square. This will be equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. See how much we have to do for numerical purpose. So many things you have to do. Now you can use A plus B whole square. A square plus 2AB plus B square. this will be equal to right side a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Now from here you can cancel. I'm doing fast because theoretically already told a square cancel, b square cancel. What you get? 2ab equal to 2ab cos theta. Now from here 2ab cancel. From here you will get cos theta equal to 1. Theta will be equal to 0 degree. Done. Here where you solve you will get here a minus b. Minus 2ab will come. Minus 2ab will come means it will come minus 1. That will give you 180 degree. Parallel 0 degree, anti-parallel 180 degree. Okay, money, my number will be there. You can message me on my number. I will give at the end. Don't worry. Now study. Is it okay, bhai? कुछ तो बोलो. Sujata, you asked. Sir, please tell sir. समझी क्या? Then I will talk about one more last concept here. अभी भी बचा हुआ है. हाँ चलो नो प्रॉब्लम ध्यान दो बी फोकस ओके डन भाई चलो नो प्रॉब्लम ध्यान दो बी फोकस ओके नो प्रॉब्लम always remember we studied formula for resultant. That doesn't mean everywhere it is required to use. When you are helpless then only apply, otherwise you apply your brain. For example, again I will ask you these three situations again. Someone said, sir, a vector plus b vector equal to c vector. This is in the terms of vector. A vector plus b vector equal to c vector. And someone said c square equal to a square plus b square. Can you tell me what is the angle between vector a and b? What is the angle between vector a and b? Jaldi batao. Three situations I will tell. I will first ask. And if someone says c square equal to a square plus b square, what is the angle? 90 degree. Why 90 degree? Why 90 degree? Why 90 degree? Formula use करके बताओगे क्या? नहीं सर, पाइथागोरस अंकल है. अरे एलकेजी से पढ़ते आ रहे हो पाइथागोरस अंकल. Angle directly, no need to solve anything. Directly I will see and I will say Pythagoras theorem is working. P square plus b square equal to h square. Directly answer. Achha, same thing if I say there, if C is given directly as a plus b, can you tell me what is angle between a vector and b vector? Same question given, directly say C equal to a plus b. अरे डायरेक्टली दो वेक्टर्स को ऐड कर दिया ना, डायरेक्टली यू डोंट रिक्वायर थीटा ना. व्हाट कैन बी थीटा देन? 0 degree. Both vectors must be in the same direction. Answer will come. No need to solve. No need to apply formula. Achha, someone say, sir, same question, but C is now given as a minus b. C is now given as a minus b. How much angle will come between a and b? C is given as a minus b. Ulta hai. That's why you have done directly a minus b. Both are reverse. Reverse means 180 degree or pi radian. Done. Now one more thing we will talk, which I already told, no problem, but I will again talk it separately. Important part, you write. Okay, done sir, बहुत बढ़िया. 180 degree. Now you can write range of resultant. Again, one important part we will talk, simple part and important part. Range of resultant. Range of resultant. Now ध्यान दो be focus yeah. Just now you saw na, sir, value of resultant will depend on angle between the two vectors. Sometimes angle 0 resultant will become a plus b. Sometimes angle 180 degree resultant will become a minus b. Sometimes angle 90 degree resultant will become under root of a square plus b square. So always ध्यान दो. That means sir, resultant depends. If you change the angle, okay, money यहाँ ध्यान दो. That I will tell at the end. You can wait. No problem. ध्यान दो. That means sir, resultant is depending on angle ना. That means if you change the angle, resultant will change. But resultant will always have some limit. Resultant cannot become more than a plus b. A plus b is the maximum because there theta 0. Theta 0 means cos theta is maximum. So always remember, ध्यान दो. Always remember, resultant depends on angle, but resultant will always have a limit now, because cos theta has a limit now. Maximum value of cos theta is 1. So maximum resultant comes when theta is 0 degree, which you just now saw, a plus b. And minimum resultant comes when cos theta is minimum, that is -1 when theta is 180 degree. So always remember, maximum value of resultant will be always a plus b. A plus b means magnitude of a plus magnitude of b, and minimum value of resultant will be always a minus b. A minus b means larger minus smaller. Smaller minus larger mat kar dena. You cannot get negative resultant. You cannot get magnitude of resultant negative. This means larger minus smaller. That means your resultant always lies from a minus b to a plus b. Maximum up to a plus b, minimum up to a minus b. It cannot be less than a minus b. It cannot be more than a plus b. A plus b also possible, a minus b is also possible, but less than a minus b not possible, more than a plus b not possible. Is it okay? Is it okay, भाई? समझे क्या? जल्दी बताओ, समय हम ले दूं. I have to do some questions also. And tell me now, this will happen for what value of theta? And this will happen for what value of theta? Already told, फिर से revise करवा रहा हूं. This will happen for what value of theta and theta? Come on. अबे a plus b 9, पागल हो गए क्या सुजाता? घर जा तू, नहीं समझ पा रही है. A plus b directly adding, both vectors must be in the same direction. This will happen for 0 degree. पागल हो गए क्या? Maximum resultant of two vectors will come when both are in the same direction. This will come 0. Minimum will come when both are anti-parallel, when both are opposing each other. That means 180 degree. Done. Is it okay? So resultant can never become more than a plus b, and resultant can never become less than a minus b. It will always lie in the range of a minus b to a plus b. So Sujata was just saying, I'm not scolding. She's saying, sorry sir, don't worry. Yeah, okay. So come on, we will do some question. Come on, we'll do some question, no problem. See how question will come. So come on, tell me, what is the range of result? What is the maximum value of resultant? What is the maximum possible value of any resultant? What is the maximum value of resultant? Jaldi. What is the maximum value of resultant? If two vectors are given a and b, what is the maximum value of resultant? What is the maximum value of resultant? A plus b, 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 a. Simply add karo, maximum resultant aayega. That will happen for theta equal to 0 degree. That will happen when both vectors will be the same direction. They will simply add each other. What is the minimum value of resultant? What is the minimum value of resultant? Bolo. What is the minimum value of resultant? a minus b. opposite होंगे सर, कैंसल करेंगे एक दूसरे को. a minus b, a minus b, a minus b. What will be theta sir? 180. What will be theta sir? 180. No problem. I will give you one question. See how questions are asked. No problem. You write, come on. You write. And here for vector we take forces. Here for vector I will take forces. No problem. Yeah. You write. If the ratio of maximum and minimum resultant, if the ratio of maximum and minimum resultant of two vectors a and b, if the ratio of maximum and minimum resultant of two vectors a and b is found to be 2:1, if ratio of maximum and minimum resultant of two vectors is found to be 2:1, then find ratio of their magnitude. You can take both vectors as a and b. You have to tell me ratio of their magnitude. Maximum you already know, a plus b. Minimum you already know, a minus b. Put there, cross multiply, you'll get a by b. Find the ratio of their magnitude. Jaldi bhai. Shrita has said 3:1. Mani has said 3:1. Very good. Twarga bhai kya kar rahe ho? Jaldi. Time is not there. Garvani, very good. अरे आई एम वेटिंग फॉर मोर आंसर. क्या कर रहे हो? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई नहीं कर पा रहे हो क्या बच्चों? क्या हो गया घर पे? अरे दिमाग ज्यादा यूज करो. हाँ, Gagan also said, Janardhan Reddy also. Maximum resulted you already know A plus B. Minimum resulted you already know A minus B. This will be equal to sir 2 by 1. Cross multiply कर दे भाई. Cross multiply, this will be A plus B. This will become 2 into A minus B. break कर दो इसको, break कर दो. A plus B. This will become, अरे help कर दो भाई, 2A minus 2B. Now from here you can arrange it. You can bring this side, this side. So this will become, B is there, this minus will come, it will become plus. So this will become 3B. And this will become 2A minus A, that will be equal to A. Now from here you can find A by B will be equal to 3:1. Is it okay? Is it okay? Very good, very good. Do the next question. Time is not there. Do the next question. Chalo bhai, you write. You write. Which of the following, I will give you option. Which of the following can be possible resultant of? Which of the following can be possible resultant of? Which of the following can be possible resultant of two forces? Which of the following can be possible resultant of two forces having magnitude of 2 Newton and 6 Newton? Forces you already know, vector. So that's why we are taking help of forces. Which of the following can be possible resultant of two forces having magnitude of 2 Newton and 6 Newton? First option 10 Newton, second option 3 Newton, third option 5 Newton, fourth option 11 Newton. Tell me which can be possible resultant. You have to always check which will lie in the range. Sir, maximum कितना हो सकता है? 6 plus 2 8. Minimum कितना हो सकता है? Very good. Yeah. A third option will come. You will simply check. You have to check who will lie in the range. I will simply say one force given here. Answer will come 5 Newton. Divya, okay, Divya, very good. Pavitra, very good. Everyone is giving third option will come. Yeah, third option will come. No problem, no problem. Yeah, okay, okay. I will simply say, sir, one force 2 Newton, other force 6 Newton. I know, sir. Resultant range, I know. Resultant will always lie from 6 minus range. First calculate the range. So minimum value of resultant will become 6 minus 2, that is 4. Maximum value of resultant will become A plus B, 6 plus 2, that will be 8. So all the values between 4 to 8, including 4 and 8, are possible. 10 more than 8 na, not possible. Sir, 3 Newton less than 4 na, not possible. 11 Newton more than 8 na, not possible. 5 will lie. So you have to see which one will lie in the range. The value which will lie in the range will be your correct answer. Is it okay? एक और क्वेश्चन दे दूं. Come on, Twarga. एक और क्वेश्चन दे दूं. एक और क्वेश्चन दे दूं. You write. Come on. You can write. Which of the following are possible? Which of the following are not possible? Possible we did, so not possible. Which of the following are not possible resultant of two forces? Which of the following are not possible resultant of two forces having magnitude of which of the following are not possible resultant of two forces having magnitude of 3 Newton and 8 Newton? I'm asking not possible. Not possible means you have to see who will lie outside the range. First option I'm giving you as 3 Newton itself, no problem. Second one I'm giving as 14 Newton. Third option I am giving as 1 Newton. Fourth option I am giving you all of the above. Very good. Korab Boina, correct. All are not, none of them are, fourth option, yeah. Okay, fourth option, none of them are, because maximum, this is all calculate. Sir, maximum I know, sir, range nikal sakte hai, sir. Maximum value kitna hoga, sir? Kitna आसान है? 8 plus 3, maximum 11. Minimum kitna hoga, sir? 8 minus 3, 8 minus 3, that is 5. So resultant will lie from 5 to 11. So all the values, 5.1, 5.2, 5, all the values from 5 to 11 are possible. Less than 5 not possible, more than 11 not possible. Now see, 3 less than 5 not possible, 14 more than 11 not possible, 1 less than 5 not possible. They ask not possible only, all of the above. Is it okay? Done? Fourth option will come. So this is how we have talked about today's no problem. Yeah, okay. Some more situations we will talk from here in our next class. Is it okay? And you can start solving the material also. Whatever the material you have, if you have this our material, then good. There we have only things which required for NEET exam. If some other material also there, start practicing question based on triangle law of vector addition. Gym questions, question number I will send, no problem. Question number, exercise number and question number I will send in the group, don't worry. So this is how we have talked about more situations. From here we'll be talking in our next class. For today we'll be ending our class here only. Tata, bye bye, take care. Gym is available, and again you can follow that also, no problem. Once revise all these things, then you can solve the question from gym. Gym is available in the campus. You want, you can take, no problem. Tata, bye bye, take care, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye. Priya ma'am is good, no problem. Timetable they are not sending, I will ask them to send. Bye bye, bye, take care, bye. Better take new gym, but if you cannot take, then okay.